Hello everyone, today we are going to select from world tutorial in SQLZOO. We will solve this and we will solve the quiz. We have a lot of questions in this video, so let's get started. Okay, in first we have name. It says we have name, continent and population. We have also area and GDP of the countries. And we can use filters using where. Show the name of the countries that have a population of at least 100 million. Let's say this, so their population, it should be bigger or equal to 123 to 100 million. Let's see which are them: Brazil, China, India, Indonesia, and United States. It says select name, so it only prints the names. We will find per capita GDP of these countries, give the name and the per capita GDP name. And how we can find per capita GDP? It's GDP divided by population from world. I guess it's the name of the table, yes. For those countries with a population of at least 100 million, let's copy it from here. It gets the name and GDP divided by population. We can write this as, for example, GDP, something like this, I guess, as per capita GDP. Is it something like this? Yes. We can give name to tables like this. Can I? No, we cannot put this. Maybe we can do it like this. Let's try. Yeah, we can do it like this also. We can give name to tables. Pardon me, columns. Show the name and the population in millions for the countries of the continent South America. Select name and population. It says in millions, so I have to divide it to million from world, where continent is equal to South America. Oh, what did I do? Okay, it should be correct. Yes. In fifth question, show the name and the population for France, Germany, or Italy. We will select name and population from world, where name in, we use in for this, and we have France, Germany, or Italy. Let's write France, Germany, or Italy. And yes, you can write name equals to France, or name equals to Germany, or name equals to Italy as well, but it's better. Show the countries which have a name that includes the word United. We will select name from world, where if we have, it asks us to find the countries which have the name like something something United, so we have to use name like, and it says it includes United, so there's something in the middle, there's something United in between, and there's something in the end. Or I put double quotes, sorry. Let's try it again. Okay. And we have United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, and United States. This sign doesn't mean whether there's something before, but it can have something before, but there isn't any must condition. Two ways to be big: if its area is more than 3 million square kilometer, or population is bigger than 250 million. Okay, select name, population, area from world, where area is bigger than 3 million. It's enough, I guess. Or population is bigger than 250 million. Okay, exclusive or show the countries that are big by area or big by population but not both. So we will use this, and I can do something like this. One is bigger and other one is smaller, or the opposite one, this is smaller or this is bigger. I wrote these two cases individually. Rounding, we can use rounds. Okay, show the name and population in millions. 36. Okay, and GDP in billions. 369. Continent South America from world, where continents equals to South America. Use the round function to show the values to two decimal places. So we should use round. I think it's round this and 2. I believe it's something like this. We will try round this 2. Let's try. Yes, it's correct. We first write the number and then write how many decimal we want. Okay, show the name per capita GDP for the countries with a GDP at least 1 trillion. Okay, select name and GDP divided by population from world. We have to round it as well, so let's round it here. It says round the nearest 1000. To do that, we will use this notation, I guess, where GDP is bigger or equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's try this. Yes, it's correct. If we have minus, it will go like this. Minus 3 means round to 10, 3 power of 10. It means cube of 10. The name and capital have same length. We have to pick, show the name and the capital. Name and capital from world, where name length, len of name using Microsoft SQL, so len name is equal to len of capital, I guess. I think we are using MS SQL. Why it's not correct? Show the name and the capital where the name and capital have the same number of characters. I think it's correct, right? Yeah, I believe it's correct. Let's see. Yeah, I'm using Microsoft SQL. Okay, 12th question. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm. Both words starts with the letter S. Show the name and capital where the first letter of each match. Don't include countries where the name and capital are the same words. Okay, select name and capital. We can use this to take the first character, so where can use this is equal to this name, not name, capital. And we have one more condition, which is countries where the name and capital are same. So and name not equal to capital. Should I use brackets? I don't know. Let's try this. If it doesn't accept, we'll use brackets. So that's okay. Equatorial Guinea and Dominican Republic have all the vowels. Okay. Find the country that has all the vowels and no spaces in its name. The question is okay. We will use this where name is like it should include A, it should include E, it should include I, O, and U. Let's copy this, and this. I, O, and U, and it says we don't want to have one more than one word, so we use and name. Can we use not like? I don't know. Let's try this. Not this. It shouldn't have any spaces. Let's try this. Is correct, and this is the end of this part. Let's go to quiz. Select the code which gives the name of countries beginning with U. Begin with no, I don't know the begin with. It shouldn't be end. It should begin with. It shouldn't be in the middle. Not like U. It should be begin with U. Select the code which shows just the population of United Kingdom, and we have to find something like name is equal to United Kingdom. It's here. Select the answer which shows the problem with the SQL code. Name is a parameter, not a string. Select the result that would be obtained from the following code. We will print name and the population divided by 10 from world where population is smaller than 10,000. So if population is smaller than 10,000, when we divide by 10, it should be smaller than 1,000. So it can't be this. It can't be this. Can't be this. It's either this or this. I believe that it's this. I don't know the population of Nauru, but I believe it's 9,900. So let's go with that. Select the code which would reveal the name and population of countries in Europe and Asia. If we will say continent in Europe or in Asia. And we should print name and population, not only name. So A can't be the correct answer. B can be the correct one. There should be in quotes, and we have the comma in here. So C can't be the correct answer. Not is, it should be in, not equal, we should be in. Select the code which would give 2 rows. It gives only Cuba, so it's not correct. It doesn't have anything like either. This can be, this gives any answer because it says and there isn't any chance that names Cuba and Togo. So it's this, it gives Cuba or Togo. Select name from where there isn't anything like this. Select the result that would be obtained from this code. Select name from world where continent is, it should be in South America, and population should be bigger than 40 million. So it should only select name, so it can't be this. It can't be this also. It's one of these three. It can't be this because Afghanistan is not in South America. Let's see what's the okay. It's Colombia's population is bigger than 40 million, so correct answer is this. Let's score the test, and it's 7 out of 7. So that's it for this video. In next video we will go to select from novel tutorial, then we will go to nested selects, then sum and count, some joins using nulls and self join, and we will end this series after doing all of them. So thanks for watching, see you next time.